How to fix your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes. Let's get started. Open your Settings app. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Open it. Now head towards the option of Media and Purchases. Click on the option View Account. Now head towards the option of Manage Payments. Check your billing address. Over here, you will find this section of billing address. Click on it. Make sure you have entered valid information. After you check it, you can go back. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, again you have to open your Apple ID and then head towards the option of Sign In and Security. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now type in your new password over here. After you change your password, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, open your Apple ID. At the very bottom, you can see the option of Sign Out. Click on it. After you sign out of your Apple ID, again type in your mail and password and sign in back. Applying all these processes, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.